the stats every minute. I'm doing my part, I'm paying attention, and I play my position.
It's Crypto Lightsaber back with another video, guys, and in today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. We're actually going to do a comparison between Binance and Bitget, which are centralized exchange platforms for crypto trading crypto, if you didn't know that already. So Bitget is actually the sponsor of today's video. So it's going to be a honest review on what I think about the platform. I own accounts on both Bitget and Binance prior to doing this video anyway, so I felt it fit to talk about it. I don't mind doing the comparison. Okay, guys, now Bitget, I would say that, you know, this is one that I would use more for the leverage trading, and I've used Binance mainly for spot trading, getting into certain tokens and bridging. They have a lot of networks to bridge. They have most of the networks so where I can bridge easily, or not use it as a bridge. I can send crypto into Binance and then exchange it and then send it back to my MetaMask wallet without having to go through the whole process of using a bridge that I don't trust. Okay, guys, so Binance I trust. Bitget, I would say that I trust Bitget for the simple fact that, you know, I first heard of it from bigger, larger influencers. Okay, guys, so larger influencers that trade Bitcoin, a lot of them are sponsored by Bitget as well. So Bitget is quite well known at this point. They are getting their name about, and going into this bull run, they also have their own tokens, so that could be a very bullish thing for Bitget. Binance, obviously, we saw what happened with Binance. When Binance were the most popular platform, the BNB token was going absolutely crazy. Okay, guys. So the Bitget token, and you can find it on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. The ticker is BGB, and the market cap for this is only 839 million, so under a billion. I would class it as a blue chip because I'd say it probably will pass a billion pretty soon. If you do a comparison with the BNB token, right, that is going to be, wait for it, 41 billion, just over 41 billion. Okay, guys, and that's with FUD, to be honest. Okay, guys, so Bitget, I'm not saying that Bitget will get to 41 billion, but there's a huge chance that it could get there. That will be like a 40x from where it is now, and that is not unheard of in crypto. In fact, it's probably good to say it's easily done in crypto, especially for a trading platform or a trading exchange token. We've seen that many times over. Okay, guys, but obviously Binance being one of the leading tier 1 exchanges, you know, they are quite well known. Bitget is less known. Okay, guys, so getting into one early like Bitget could be a profitable move for you. Okay, guys, all the chart history that we have on CoinMarketCap right now goes back to August 2022, and you can see it's in a clear uptrend from then. And yeah, we're seeing quite a few exchange tokens starting to make their way up along with the rest of the market. Obviously Bitcoin has been pumping, right, and we are going into the halving. So I see tokens like Bitget token doing well. You can just search for the token on here. BGB is trending, of course. Why not have your own token trending? And it is genuinely trending, I'd say. But yeah, the Bitget token, you can see the price right here. Obviously, you know, we are on the 3-minute chart, so I wouldn't pay much attention to that price action there. But that is what the Bitget token is looking like at the moment. So the platform, in terms of usage, right, it's going to be similar to the likes of things like Bybit. Okay, I would say less in comparison to Binance. Okay, guys, again, I don't use Binance for leverage trading. I used to use Bybit. Bybit has stopped the ability for someone like myself in the UK to use it. Bitget still has that availability. Deposits and withdrawals are still available to you in the UK for Bitget. So that is a plus for this platform. Okay, guys, and it's pretty easy to use. Okay, if we come off of this token and we go back to the Bitcoin token, right? You know, I'm just showing you this for example's sake, right? So basically, it's pretty simple to use. You can just come over to the right, depending on how you have it laid out, and you can choose from your leverages, your leverage. You got cross 3x and isolated 10x. Okay, guys, and you can seamlessly just, you know, transfer some funds into your wallet and start trading leverage on this platform. Obviously, there's going to be different tokens that are available. Binance probably has a wider range of tokens. But yeah, No, in fact, I wouldn't say Binance has a wider range of tokens. Binance has probably a wider range of trusted tokens. Bitget, I know they've been listing a lot of different things lately. Okay, for example, if you look at, other, smaller cap altcoins, you probably find a little bit more of those on Bitget than what you would on Binance. So in terms of a wider range of tokens, I'd say Bitget probably has a wider range in terms of lower market cap tokens or lesser known tokens. So obviously opportunity is there to trade leverage, in my opinion. Okay, guys. So I would say that. Now, Bitget are doing a lot of promotion. Again, like I said, this is a sponsored video, so they are reaching out to people and they're getting KOLs on board, which is a good thing. Obviously, they have a marketing budget, which is probably pretty substantial, and they're using it. So that's a good thing for the platform in terms of growth. I don't have all the metrics for users and things like that, but we can see over here from the brief that I got from the team, right, is that they're around about the fourth after Bybit right now in terms of the size of the exchange or popularity of the exchange in terms of trading volume. Okay, so they're actually ahead of Qcoin, another exchange which I also use, which is a surprise to me. They're bigger than Qcoin. In fact, it's not a surprise to me that they're bigger than Qcoin at the moment. Okay, guys, and they're just behind Bybit. Again, I have to say goodbye to Bybit, okay, because Bybit don't allow someone like myself from the UK to use their platform anymore, and that's because of regulations, unfortunately. Okay, guys, and this is the data as of April the 11th, 2023. Again, in terms of marketing, we know that Binance has a huge budget when it comes to marketing, and they partner with celebrities. Okay, people like Cristiano Ronaldo are partnered with the platform by the looks of it. But Bitget also have their own things going on, and they are partnered with Lionel Messi, who is also a huge football player or soccer player. These are both soccer players, if you didn't know. In America, you guys call it soccer, I'd say, right? We call it football here in the UK. But Lionel Messi is partnered with Bitget as well since October 2022. So that is a very good thing. It's always good to have brand ambassadors helping with the promotion of your platforms. Okay, guys. So I'd say that is a plus for Bitget. The fact that they're smaller, they're lesser well known, and they have celebrities or sports people on the same sort of level promoting them. So in terms of growth, right, which has more potential for growth at the moment at this current stage in the bull market, I would say that Bitget has a lot more room for growth because they are younger, okay, and their market cap is lower, okay, guys, and their popularity is not as high, so they have room to grow in popularity, especially amongst other platforms. Okay, guys. Now, obviously, if you want to get into the whole details of token, you can go on CoinMarketCap, do a little bit more research on tokenomics and things like that. But in terms of the Bitget token, right, BGB, it's not listed on many exchanges. Of course, they are a competitor to a bunch of exchanges, obviously, right? But you can buy their token on their own exchange, MEXC exchange, which lists a lot of tokens. Okay, guys, and if we look further through the exchanges, you have some lesser known exchanges. Okay, guys, so they are available on the Bitget platform. Okay, which in my opinion is actually a bullish thing for the token, right? Do they do trading fees? I'm sure by holding the token you get some sort of discount on trading fees similar to Binance. That will be very beneficial for them to mirror that model, in my opinion. But I haven't looked into it, okay, whether there's any utility to holding the token, but I would assume so. Okay, guys, and always do your own research. Don't risk more than what you can afford to lose, obviously. Okay, guys, you've heard it all before. It's not financial advice. Okay, guys, these are just my opinions. All right, guys. But in terms of utility on the platform, right? Across the top here, you have all of this information. Okay, guys, so you can do your spot trading, your margin trading, of course, just like we talked about, your leverage trading, your futures, and so on. But you can also integrate your trading bots. Okay, guys, like you can do across many other platforms. You can also do that over on Binance. Okay, it's not as easy to find. You do need to go through the menus to find that you can use your trading bots and your margin and so on. It's a little bit more in your face over here in terms of, hey, come and use our products. Okay, guys. One thing that Binance doesn't have that I noticed that Bitget has is, and correct me if I'm not mistaken, but I don't see it anywhere, right? And it's not it's not a product that I use personally anyway. However, they have copy trading. Okay, guys. Now I don't recommend using copy trading unless you actually know who the traders are that you're copying. Okay, guys. But they do have copy trading over here on Bitget. So in terms of usability, they have that, which is one up on Binance, in my opinion. Again, that's if Binance doesn't have it. I'm not sure about Binance US. Okay, but Binance.com, which is what I use. I'm here in the UK. Okay, don't have copy trading. Bitget seems to have copy trading and also demo trading and further information. Okay, guys, so that is obviously that's something that they can probably boast that they have that Binance doesn't have. Okay, guys. Now, if we go over to the main page of the Bitget platform, you're going to see all sorts of promo. Okay, now I just had to log out of that because it's bringing up my dashboard, okay, which I don't want you to see. All right, guys, we have to have some privacy. Okay, guys, but ultimately, if you are using this platform and you want to deposit and withdraw, just like most exchanges nowadays, they are requiring KYC. Okay, guys, because Bitget wants to be fully compliant with the FCA rules, and like every central exchange should do to make it safer for the users. Okay, guys, we've seen with Binance some of the things that have happened with them in the past, and this is not me taking a jab at Binance, but they have been hacked before. Okay, guys, I think it was for about $40 million. All right, guys, Bitget hasn't had any hacks. Not only that, but Binance has currently been under some, scrutiny from, the SEC and things like that. We know that the CEO of Binance recently just stepped down. It has a new CEO, but there has been some FUD around Binance. Okay, guys, we haven't seen anything like that with Bitget, but Bitget is not as huge, probably not not as much scrutiny on Bitget at this stage, okay, guys, because they're younger and, obviously not as well known. But, Bitget, they do have a clean record currently, okay, guys, so that is always a good thing to know about a platform, okay, guys. But again, you need to do your KYC. If it's not available to you in your country, your jurisdiction, wherever you are, that's something you need to do in your own time, do your own research, okay, guys. But in my opinion, Bitget is a good platform to look into if you are thinking about leverage trading, or if you're thinking about just buying and holding tokens. You can also log in with your decentralized wallet as well. So that to me is a good thing. I'm not sure if you can do that on Binance. I've never seen that option. Okay, guys. So I'm going to say that you can't actually do that on Binance. This is something that you can clearly see that you can do on Bitget. So that is a very bullish thing. I know that there are companies or projects that are enabling this type of integration. So it's not something that Binance couldn't do. Okay, guys, but at this point in time, I would say that Binance doesn't do it, and you can actually do that with Bitget. So why is this helpful? Basically, it protects you against hack. If the platform gets hacked, for example, like what people saw with FTX or Celsius, right? The platform has an issue, or the platform's being shady or whatever, they stop withdrawals and trading and all that sort of stuff. And that's not going to happen if you use your own wallet, your own hot wallet with the platform. So you can integrate your wallet into the platform, and you can basically do all your trading directly from your wallet. So if the exchange starts pausing withdrawals or they go down, your funds are always safe inside your own wallet, because the saying goes, is not your keys, not your crypto. So I think that's a pretty bullish thing for Bitget. Okay, guys. So I think that's really good. Okay, guys. So really, that's my very short comparison between Bitget and Binance. Okay, guys. Again, go and check them out on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. Jump into their socials. I'm sure they've got a lot going on. But I believe they did have a previous token that they've been doing a token swap for that. Okay, guys, it's not something I've looked completely into. So this chart information might not be completely accurate in terms of the whole chart. Okay, guys, I'm sure there's probably a little bit more history predating August 2022. But yeah, this is really all I can show you at the moment from CoinMarketCap. Go on TradingView and have another look. Okay, guys. But yeah, I do like the platform. Okay, I've got nothing bad to say about the platform, and again, it's got a clean record. So you know they are going to be growing. We're going to watch this token. We're going to see how well this is going to do. I see it going past $1 billion in market cap valuation. Fully diluted market cap is already above this 1.2 billion. Okay, guys. Now, can this get to the 40 billion and beyond like Binance does? Like I said, I don't, or like Binance is currently. Like I said, I don't see that as a very hard target to reach or to aim for. Okay, guys. So we'll see how this does in the future. That's really all I've got for you in this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll leave a link in the description to Bitget so you can go and check out the exchange yourself. And yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications. I will see you in the very next video.